be 80-year-old men play Roblox.
I don't think that sounds right. Cut that out. Cut that out. Redneck. Uh-oh. Alright, anyways, today we're starting a new series. It's called Farming. It's, oh, what the, whoa, there he is. It's basically a series where we are going to be playing.
Friends, we're going to create the best farm there is.
Oh yeah, we're talking.
It may take us months, this may take us years. We could be 80-year-old men play Roblox.
I don't think that sounds right. Cut that out. Cut that out. Anyways, yeah, we're playing Farming Simulator. This is gonna be like a little series. We will also play other games together. Also, it's just not gonna be this. We'll do this about every week.
We'll try to.
Yeah. Anyways, so explain how the game works.
Well, you harvest, then you plow, then you cultivate, then you plant, then you harvest.
Yeah, basically just like it's a repeat of.
You can get animals and.
Yeah, look, I'm gonna show you guys some of this cool stuff in the shop, like this. A log cabin, fancy estate, 10 million. Got little cool fences and stuff. Yeah, it's very cool. Oh my God, there's rain. Okay, so basically we are going to show this cool process. So tell me about this process.
You need to get the trailer under this pipe right here, and then you need to go take that. Oh, I gotta be in it.
Okay, I have the trailer.
It's not like real life. You gotta get that trailer lined up underneath the pipe.
Okay.
Do you need help?
No, I'm good. I'm perfect, bro.
You're not. If this was real life, we would be $30,000 in debt.
Oh yeah, 100%.
You already broke the tractor.
How?
Because you jackknifed.
Oh well.
Comment section.
And there we go.
Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and move this thing out of the way. Well, I might as well just use this.
Sell harvest here. Perfect.
I have some over here too. No.
Okay, sell.
We're part of
$140. That's good. Do you have 104? Oh no, I have the money.
I made $60.
Okay. So I get money and you get money.
So I harvest and I got. So you might need to be the one harvesting.
Why?
Yeah, I like that better. Harvesting doesn't cause issues. Get in the harvester. Please don't break the harvester.
No, this is the easy one.
Okay, but still, please don't break it. You already broke the tractor. The good thing is not mine. It could be better. Or else you're gonna be in a lot of trouble by our comment section.
Yes, ma'am.
See how I get treated here?
Yes. See, he plays these games and I don't. I don't know. Okay, but
it's simple buttons. It's not hard.
I know. There we go. Okay, I got all of it done.
Okay, now stop and activate. Click activate pipe.
Oh, I see it right there. Okay, I'm standing right here.
Stop moving.
Okay.
Now move the combine out of the field, and then we gotta start plowing. I'll plow my field and you plow yours.
Yes. This is actually very simple. Actually, like I'm actually learning now. Okay, so I do what?
You need to move the combine out of the field. Then go get any tractor. We have two.
Okay, I'll get this one over here.
Hook it up to the little slanted plow. It's green and it looks like a diagonal line. With little blades on it.
Oh yeah, this thing.
So, did you get 140?
No, yeah, I got 140. I didn't get any money from what you sold.
It's just gonna be because it's your pot. Okay. But you help me with the games, I'll help you with this one.
Okay, because I have no clue.
Oh, tree!
What the heck? What just happened?
Almost hit it, didn't hit it.
Clue.
Oh, tree!
What?
Okay, I got seeds for me and seeds for you.
Okay, go put the seeds on mine.
Did you cultivate my field?
Here.
Okay, here's what you do. I'm gonna teach you how to fill the seeds. Why are you in there?
Oh, this is the wrong one.
This is the plow.
Okay, that one.
The diagonal is the plow.
Okay.
The thing over there is the cultivator.
Oh, the cultivator. Okay.
Cultivate after you plow. Remember that.
Cultivate after you plow.
I'm gonna leave this trailer here, and I'm gonna go look at what we're gonna need next for our farm.
Okay.
Okay. Start the time lapse.
Okay. Redneck. Uh-oh. Oh. Go, 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 go! So I'll do another time lapse and we'll see you guys in a minute. Okay, guys, I just ended this. So basically, the first episode is never exciting. I don't know if you guys got bored or anything.
But yeah, we're just trying to make money so we can buy stuff.
Yeah, we'll probably make some more money off camera. The next episode is really when we actually get started. Because today we just kind of started, but not really started.
Yeah,
So,
right now we're about to get a selling of 5 crops.
yes, and
It's gonna give Jaden 60, be 140.
yep, I got 60,
How much money you at right now?
260, and then I'll do this, then I'll go sell that, and then I'll give us some stuff. Yeah, so yeah, the next episode should be out maybe next week, but I don't know when this is out. But yeah.
Thank you guys so much for watching. We hope you subscribe.
Yeah, subscribe. Get us to let's see, what should we do?
500 is our goal right now.
500. So let's get us to like 250.
Our 200 subscriber will get shout out, and we'll get
Like our 100 subscriber.
Like our subscriber, we're working on negotiating with him. We have to communicate with him.
Yep.
100 subscriber, comment on this video.
Comment again. We will see you soon. Are we gonna go eat cookies?
Yep. Let's go get lunch.
All right. Yes. Yay!
Thank you guys so much for watching it. Bye.
Oh no!
Sub to help our farm.